about as big as an animal fucking gets, boys. Ew, that's beautiful.
It's going towards us. Here, fishy, fishy. How's it, guys? Kelly's over there. Kelly, wave a bit if you can.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, he's saying hello, hello. And then Craig is also with us today. It's his first time on the ocean on a yak. How's it, bud? You enjoying it?
So much fun, man.
So much fun. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
To get out here, but when you're out here, it's good fun.
Yeah. Okay, I'll show you guys some fish when Kelly catches them, because I'm gonna record.
They've got bloody stage fright now.
So yeah, I'll keep you guys in touch. And Kelly's on a fish. Let's see what it is.
It's a nice Roman, boys. My Roman number 2 for the bag.
Nice Roman, he says.
For a Roman, chaps.
Whoa, let me zoom. Lucky man.
That's a good Roman. Let's see if I can keep him on the kayak.
Come to kill the Romans.
Oh, and then he fell off the kayak.
Oh, you lost it.
Roman number 14, but that was a really good Roman, eh?
Yeah.
Not that nice. 14. Eh? Roman number 14. 14, yeah.
There's a whale just in front of us.
Look at that, chaps.
Oh, it's big.
That is about as big as an animal fucking gets, boys. Ew, that's beautiful.
It's going towards us.
Morning, guys. We are a couple of k's offshore in the kayak, and in front of us here we've got a humpback whale. He's about 15-20 meters away from us. Look at that, chaps. Oh my word, it does not get any more beautiful than that. Holy cow. This is amazing. Humpback whale. It is enormous. It's gone down, so I'm a little bit nervous. But I can't decide whether I'm scared or excited. But oh my word, this is phenomenal. Like, oh my freaking word. Oh, there she goes, there she goes. There she goes. Oh, chaps, I cannot explain to you the level of excitement going through my body right now. That was phenomenal. Yes, over and out.
And thanks for watching, gents and ladies. Yeah, this last piece of the video is just pretty cool footage. It's just, I don't know why the sound went wrong. So the sound isn't lacquer, but yeah, please enjoy the rest of the video. And please like and subscribe. We'll show you guys our journeys, and hopefully we'll learn and fish and yeah, just share the world together. Have a lucky day.